Dolly Begay, who wove this particular Tisnaspas style of weaving, is one of the many Begays on the Navajo reservation. Begay being a very common name, like Smith or Jones, as we always say. Did a really super job on this. We don't see a lot of Tisnaspas designs at Twin Rocks. Most of them get captured before they get up this far north. But this one is nice. It's done in more of the traditional ganado colors of, it's kind of a burgundy and gray and black and white. But you see the angularity, if that's actually a term, the angles of the weaving that are characteristic of the Tisnaspas rug. It's the first time we've had a rug from her, and we're really very pleased. The pricing is good. The weaving is really nice, and we hope she continues to come see us. It's a great rug.